Hi, and welcome back to Jilly's Nails, where today we're going to do this neon floral manicure and listen to my dog sneeze in the background because it's allergy season. We are starting off with Oont Peel Off Base Coat and this beautiful blue with a silver shimmer that runs through it from Sinful Colors, as well as a purple that also has a silver shimmer. These are both out of their neon collection. They're so pretty. And I am in love with this topper, y'all. It was $1 from Dollar General. $1, that's it, dollar. It's not hollow, but it kind of looks like it. And I wanted to show you these beads a little better that has kind of a blue and a purpley pink tint to it. So I pulled out two of each to use on this manicure. Now I wanted to show you why I mentioned that you can use a white polish under sheer shades and neons to help make them pop. Do you see how that's just very sheer when I put it on? If I'd put a white underneath this, you wouldn't be able to see my nail tips after the first coat. It might still look a little patchy, but you wouldn't quite be able to see through it. It would also make that color pop just a little bit more. So if you don't like to do a whole lot of layers of polish, like 3, 4, 5, you don't have to. You can just put a white under there and it'll make the color very opaque. It still looks decent with two layers. I am going to do some stamping and some other stuff on top of it, so I don't really care if it's not perfect at this point. And I'm going to grab my Maniology nail art brush and put a heavy, heavy third coat of polish on. I don't want to flood the cuticles on accident. I don't want to make a mess, but I need it to not dry quickly because we're going to do a dry marble through here. And what that means is we're just going to take this pink color that I have, the purpley pink, and drop some dots on it. Now, if you like how that looks, you can just let them settle and dry, and that's also a very cute look for manicures. But I'm going to drag some of the blue through the purpley pink and some of the purpley pink back through the blue, and it almost gives it a striped effect similar to a zebra print. I'm not going to lie, I think these are much easier to do with gel polish, but I'm not into gels right at the moment. It's just for me. They peel off on me and I start picking and it's bad. I'm just not into gels right now. Um, I'm going to go ahead and do the exact same thing on the second nail. These are kind of my accent nails for this mani. And again, just a couple blobs, 2, 3, 4. You can do tiny ones, big ones, whatever you want to play with. And you just barely drag your brush through it all. And then make sure you drag the blue back through. It is going to turn these shades a little bit purple. I knew it would do that. I don't care. I still like it. I think it's a very cute and kind of cohesive manicure. Although it's different and still neon and in your face, so take that. That is what it looks like after I let that marble dry, and I'm going to go through and top coat everything. I'm starting with the outer hands because I've already painted them and put the Fancy Pants topper on there. Look how cute it is. I don't know, I really like that topper. And then we're going to go in and stamp with coconut from Maniology on this queen plate. I'm going to use these little flowers. I've been trying to go through my smaller plates and use all the ones I haven't used. I hate having plates that haven't been used. It makes me feel like I'm being wasteful or a stamping product hoarder, which I'm only mildly ashamed of. Just a little bit. Tiny. Like, I don't lose sleep over it, but I kind of know that I have a lot. So I'm going to use one of the blue ones and one of the pink ones on each nail. And this is something that if I had to do over again, like go back and do it over, I would only put one of these beads on each nail. They're very pretty and cute. I think they're just a little too big for my fingers to have too many of them on there. And that is just waiting on that queen to dry the latex peel off so that we can go ahead and go in and stamp these little flowers. I think this plate is super cute. And queen plates always pick up very well. These come in a little set of like 12 or 24 plates, I think, for like 15 bucks. You can get them on Amazon. They come in like a yellow pouch, like a little yellow holder, a white holder, and a pink holder. I have the yellow ones and the white ones. So I can definitely recommend them. They're good plates. They almost always work. Like I don't have problems with them. There's just so many designs I can't use them all. And in fact, the yellow one was the first set of stamps I ever bought. So Queen, it's your fault I'm addicted. We're going to take off all of our latex boogers and just do a little bit of cleanup where some of it got on the cuticle. Not too much cleanup, just a touch. I'm trying to get a lot better about not making messes. And there you have that. We're going to go through and just top coat it with a quick dry top coat. I think those flowers came out really cute. It's busy and it's bright. And if I hadn't put two beads on there, I don't think it would be too in your face. I think it would be very cute. And I'm just going around now with the top coat and making sure the edges of all those beads are sealed in, because my hair likes to catch on them when I'm in the shower and rip them off like a razor blade. So here is everything all finished up. I really hope you enjoyed this manicure. Let me know what kind of polish mood you're in. Are you in the mood for neons and springs and summers and just over winter? I'm so in love with the bright and in-your-face stuff right now. This week may be totally different, but that's how I was feeling last week when I filmed them. Let me know what you think. Thank you so much for watching, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please hit that button. I really appreciate you being here. Have a great day. Stay healthy and safe. Bye-bye.